Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a super technology or futuristic launcher. It's called Ultra Modern Launcher. It will look like this, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Ultra Modern Launcher high-tech application from the Play Store first. You can find a super arc reactor on the center and with the super graphics on the top. You can find the home, music and weather and Google search on the top with the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, denoting the whether it's off or on, and some of the apps it automatically classified on the folder. And also you have a music widget. As I said, it has the animation too. So, and also you have the weather widget on the top. You can find the weather widget, and in this weather widget you can find the detail of the weather with graphics. And in the center you can find your area. You can just set it, and also the date, and also the weather updating on the days. You can find everything. So then you can find a super tech futuristic widgets on the center for every pages. If you just swipe, you can just change the pages, and if you swipe on the right side or left side here, you can find all the applications you just needed. And then you just click on the center of the arc reactor to go to the setting option. Here you can find all things. You can customize it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable application. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.